Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss another questions of inverse trigonometric functions. So in this our first function is question is tan 1 by 2 cos inverse root 5 by 3. So how we will solve this type of question? First what we will do, what is in the bracket we consider as theta. Like let cos इनवर्स रूट 5 बाई 3 इज इक्वल टू थीटा. इसको आपने थीटा कंसिडर किया तो दैट मीन्स cos थीटा आपके पास आ गया रूट 5 बाई 3. ओके, बट अब मुझे यहाँ पे tan 1 बाई 2 बाहर है और ये अगर थीटा है तो एक तरह से मेरा tan थीटा बाई 2 की कंडीशन बन गई. अब थीटा बाई 2 का इन फॉर्म ऑफ cos फॉर्मूला है 1 माइनस cos थीटा 1 प्लस cos थीटा root. Okay, now you have to apply cos theta value here 1 minus root 5 by 3 and 1 plus root 5 by 3 under square root. So when you take the LCM that becomes 3 minus root 5 under square root and here 3 plus root 5. अब ये आपका इरेशनल नंबर बन गया. आपने इसको रेशनलाइज करना है ताकि डिनोमिनेटर में इरेशनल नंबर की कंडीशन कैंसिल हो जाए. तो जैसे यहाँ पे था 3 माइनस रूट 5 एंड 3 माइनस रूट 5, आप साइन चेंज करके इसको हमने रूट के अंदर ही रेशनलाइज करना है. 3 प्लस रूट 5 एंड 3 माइनस रूट 5. यहाँ पर तो वी विल गेट 3 माइनस रूट 5 होल स्क्वायर इन द न्यूमरेटर 9 माइनस 5 एंड होल स्क्वायर रूट. So numerator will be cancelled with 2 with square root and denominator root 4 gives me 2 and my required answer is 3 minus root 5 by 2. So my next question is tan 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 minus pi by 4. First we will try to solve this 2 tan inverse 1 by 5. So we have formula 2 tan inverse x equivalent to tan inverse is tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square when there is a condition of x. So when there is a condition of x, what term is this x must be less than 1. So first I will check is 1 by 5 is less than 1. Yes, if this condition is true, now you can directly apply the formula 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. So here first we will try to convert this 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 into according to this formula. So that becomes tan inverse, you just replace in place of x as 1 by 5. 2 into 1 by 5 upon 1 minus 1 by 5 square is 1 by 25. So when I solve this, this is 2 by 5 and here it will be 1 minus 1 by 25. So when we take the LCM here, so above is 2 by 5 and denominator is 25 minus 1 is 24 by 25. So that give me tan inverse 2 by 24 into 25 by 5. So ultimately when I solve this one I will get tan inverse this become 12, this become 5 5s are 25, 5 by 12. So that means 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 exactly equal to tan inverse 5 by 12. Now I replace this in my original question. So my question become that is tan inverse 5 by 12 because I replace, because my question was tan 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 minus pi by 4. So in my question this tan inverse 1 by 5, so I already found 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 equivalent to tan inverse 5 by 12. So I replace this value and here pi by 4 is tan inverse 1 because tan inverse 1 value is pi by 4. So now when I try to solve that one, so this is tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. And my rule for tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is, if I want to use, so multiplication of like this x must be greater than 1 greater than 0 and this x must be greater than 0. Then I apply directly my tan formula, or I can go with tan e minus b formula. So I have two options here. Either I can go with tan inverse, I have two options to go with. Either I go with tan inverse x minus tan inverse y formula, that is tan inverse that is x minus y 1 plus xy. Either can go with this formula directly, or I have another option of tan a minus b formula. So for that I don't want to change this one like pi by 4 to tan inverse 1, or I can go with my tan a minus b formula. So in that case this will be a term, this will be b term. So what I will do, tan a minus b formula is tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a tan b. So I solve this by two methods. So it will be more easier how you solve this question by two formulas. So it's up to you which formula you want to apply it here. But before this formula you have to satisfy the condition first here. Suppose I go with first by this formula. Okay, so if I go with first with this formula, so this becomes, so inside only, tan will be keep outside. If I go with tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, that means this value is x and this value is y. So this tan will be considered as it is, and here in place of this will be changed. So that is tan inverse. So if I apply the formula, that is tan inverse in place of x, that is 5 by 12 minus 1 plus 5 by 12. So this is, I am using the above formula. So here this tan and tan inverse will be cancelled directly, so only this term is left. So when you solve that one, 5 by 12 minus 1, 5 minus 12 by 12, and in the denominator is 12 plus 5 by 12. Denominator is same, so minus 7 by 17 is my required answer if I use this formula. Okay, but now if I use this formula, so what I will do? So in this case, tan, this term whole consider as a and this term as b. So we consider a is equal to tan inverse 5 by 12 and b consider as tan inverse 1. Okay, so when I apply tan a minus b formula here, I just replace a and b value. Instead of this we use this formula. So that becomes that is tan, in place of a I write tan inverse 5 by 12 minus tan inverse tan and tan inverse 1. Okay, and in the denominator 1 plus tan inverse 5 by 12 and tan inverse 1. Okay, so this tan inverse will be cancelled. What is left? 5 by 12 minus 1 and 1 plus 5 by 12 into 1, 5 by 12. So after that we will get the same answer, that is 5 minus 12 by 12 and 12 plus 5 by 12. So that is minus 7 by 12 is my required answer. So you have two options. Either, so if this type of question will come, so you have two options. Either you can use with this formula, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy, or tan a minus b formula. So in this case you have to be very careful about a and b, because tan is outside and you just replace a, b with whatever inverse function you consider as a and b, and here in each and every case tan inverse is cancelled, you will get the same condition what is here.